What's something tech enthusiasts need but don't talk about enough? Speedy access to your microphone, let's fix that. So you're in the middle of an intense gaming session or a crucial Zoom call and you need your mic on, like yesterday. No more fumbling around. Here's the secret sauce. The keyboard shortcut. First, go to your settings. Find accessibility and click on it. Now look for keyboard shortcuts. It might be under input. Once you're there, hit add shortcut. For the command, type in toggle microphone. Next, choose your preferred key combination. Try something easy to remember like Ctrl plus M. Save it and boom! You're all set. Now whenever you need to access your mic instantly, just hit Ctrl plus M. No more scrambling, just pure efficiency. You're welcome. So, give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nifty tech tips. See you next time.